Got one.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Just
oh, came off.
Okay.
It was up at 13 feet.
Okay, way up there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. It came running through, and as soon as I went up to it, it hit hard.
Oh, okay. So I'm going to bring up a little higher then. Good to know. Get it.
You want it? He's chasing. Chasing.
Make 'em eat. Make 'em eat. Breakfast time.
Ooh.
Oh, your bobber.
Yep.
Think it's on your bobber?
Yep.
Perfect.
Oh, no. Went down. Or came back up.
I got him marked too.
It's on my bobber. There we go.
Looks like a good one. Or I don't know your rod, so.
Yeah, it's a decent one. What do we got?
There we go. Oh, never mind. It looked like a really good crop. I don't know why I thought it looked like a really good crappie. I just got excited because I thought it was going to be a really good crappie. No wonder it's so aggressive. It's a little pike. This is beef outdoors.
Yeah.
That's not the target species. Chad already had one miss fish today.
Ooh.
And
that went down on my finger.
that doesn't feel very good. I can speak from experience on that. But we're out basin chasing for crappies. It's going to be kind of a nice day temperature-wise, but it's going to blow like 20 miles an hour. So that's why we're still in the house, because this morning it was cold, or it still is cold. It's just barely sunrise. But it's hard to film in the wind, for one, and just getting beat up. So we're going to do the basin chasing. We might move the house around a little bit and see what we can do.
Here we go. Coming in hot. Got him.
There we go. I was just going to tell you to cycle the camera with my last action, but...
Little crappie.
Little crappie. That might be on the edge of keeping. Let's
Nice
bump it to give us our reference for the day. Oop. I just knocked that over to you. Sorry.
Crappie wanted the Z darter and thread fin.
What do you think? About 8.5, 9 inches?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Let's bump it and check.
Got a hook in my finger. Oop, my bobber's going.
If you're put it in the bucket for the meantime, then.
Yep.
Yeah, get your bobber. You got the hot half of the house for sure so far. That one's for sure a keeper.
That is a nice crappie.
That's a good one, Chad.
Came on the JB Lures. Cole, what kind of JB Lures is that?
Gemini.
The Gemini.
This one's 9.5, so that's for sure a keeper. 9's kind of my cutoff, and I'll bump that one for you.
Let's see. Cole's going to give that a bump. That is...
I'm going to guess 10.5.
I'm going to guess... Yeah, 10.5.
11 on the nose.
11 on the nose.
Chad starting things off great right there. Double.
There we go. Got a very nice crappie. Very nice crappie, everyone. Oh, yeah.
Fish sandwich. Marking.
There we go.
Oh, that wasn't a pike bite either. That was...
Still there.
Yeah, maybe it is a pike bite. Oh my god, they're just hanging on to it.
it's a pike then. I'm dreading going outside.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put on the different lure. Which color should I go?
Show me your options, and I'm gonna pick something I haven't tried. You know what I mean?
Yep. So I have that, and I just got in the mail every single one of the Shields exclusive.
I haven't done a pink Z Viber. I've done a pink spoon though. Let me see what the Shield exclusives are. I don't know them off the top of my head. Boop.
There's a bunch of them.
I've tried it.
Okay.
I haven't tried it, but I've tried something green, so it's a potential.
I put other stuff in here too.
I've tried Wonder Bread. I am literally fishing Wonder Bread right now, actually.
Oh, that's a bigger one.
Is there a yellow, silver, white one?
Oh,
Tried
you
it.
tried that one. There's a pink one.
Okay, haven't tried it.
Okay, so that's a maybe.
But I've tried a pink spoon.
Okay. There's this one I got.
It's Threadfin. That one, top one.
That one.
I haven't tried that one. I haven't tried this one. I don't know what this one is. But
It's this same one, but that it's smaller. The
one
micro.
of those two ones with some yellow on it. I've tried stuff with red,
Okay.
but I haven't tried like strictly yellow. That was the one I was waiting for you to pull out.
All right. I gotta go through that and then put them in my box.
Yeah.
So not the pink one, but. Well, there's another flavor of Billy Rub that I've tried now. Waxworm. As I was biting my hook off. Get a little bit of taste in the mouth. Not too sure what the first one was that I
Emerald Shiner.
oh, it was Emerald Shiner.
Yeah. We
So-
can review the footage. Hi. Light for you.
I had some Billy Rub on my hand, and then I licked my fingers to get the string off.
Tasty.
Ground up shrimp.
Shiner.
Shiner. Oh.
That's what walleyes like.
It is Chad Mellum up North Basin approved.
Does say not for human consumption right on the package.
Oh. Never mind, folks. Don't eat it. So now it's been two. Waxworm and Emerald Shiner.
What was your favorite?
Well, the waxworm was in my mouth for a little less time. That was bad, but so I'm going with waxworm. So it went kind of slow for us, so I'm switching it up, and I am putting on a Shields exclusive Z Viber. This is called Chartreuse Clown. This is a color we haven't used today. It's a Shields exclusive color. So, see what we can do with that.
Oh, Mark's I'm not down there. Good bobber.
Oh.
bobber. This is pandemonium, dude.
Missed him. Doubled up.
Oh, I bumped off at the bottom. It was a decent crappie, though. I saw it.
Mine's
Okay,
coming up.
I put on the spoon here. See if I can.
Another decent crappie.
Mine bumped the bottom of the ice and popped off.
Another one down there.
Yeah, I'm chasing it. Okay. Well, the episode of the Chad Mellum show is done. He put the hurting on today. I lost what I think was a pretty good one right at the bottom of the ice. But that's how fishing goes. We were able to only put in a few hours this morning. And once the sun got up above the tree line, bites shut down. So, super clear lake, probably 20 feet of visibility in the winter. So we want to come back here when it's not so windy and when it's a little bit cloudy, and I think we're onto something and we'll be able to put together a good bite. This is one of our favorite bodies of water in open water, but first time we went out here on the ice. So we'll definitely be back this year, so stay tuned. This is Cole Karski and the Chad Mellum Show. Beef Outdoors. Tight lines, everyone.